Yeah, today we are going to discuss about the Linux interview questions.
Okay.
So, can you explain about the Linux?
Linux is a operating system. It have different operating system like Ubuntu, CentOS. It have two type of family, Debian and Red Hat family system.
Okay. May I know the port number of HTTP?
The port number of HTTP is 80.
Okay. HTTPS?
HTTP is port number is 443.
Okay. Which type of operating system you have used in Linux?
I have used Ubuntu and CentOS operating system.
Okay. What is the
Amazon,
pack? Okay.
Amazon Linux also.
Okay. What is the package manager for Ubuntu and CentOS?
Package manager for Ubuntu is apt-get and for CentOS is yum.
Okay. What is load average in Linux?
Load average are there are of two types: system load average and load average. In system load average is a measurement of CPU over underutilized in Linux system. The number of processes which are being executed by CPU or in waiting state. Second, load average is the average system loaded calculate over a given period of time of 1 and 5 and 15 minutes.
Okay. What are the types of partitions in file system?
There are three types of partition. First, primary that contain one file system and typical storage, the boot file for primary operating system. And the second one, extended partition, a defined area where local drives are stored. And the third one is logical partition, can be used to store data but cannot boot an operating system.
Okay. How can you see the partitions?
We can see the partition by firing command fdisk -i.
-L list.
Hyphen disk fdisk -l for see
Yeah.
all the partition.
What are the file systems in Linux?
Two type of file system: du for disk usage and df for disk free.
Can you explain about the ext2 and ext3 and ext4? I need some brief, little bit only. Don't explore more.
The extend file system include ext2, ext3 and 4. ext2 stand for second extend file type. ext2 does not have generally feature. Maximum include file size can be 16 to 2 TB. Overall, ext2 file system can be from 2 TB to 32 TB. And then ext3 stand for third extend file system starting from Linux kernel 2.415 ext3 were available. The main benefit of ext3 is that is allow generaling a dedicated R in the file system where all the change are tracked. When the system crash, the possible of file corruption is less because of generaling.
Okay, okay, got it. What is XFS?
XFS is the file system is an extension of Exchange file system. XFS is highly perform 64-bit generally file system. XFS has remained a preferred choice for many enterprise systems, especially with massive amount of data due to high performance, architectural, scalable, and robustness.
Okay, what is NFS and use of NFS?
NFS is a network file system, is a client server application. Computer can be view optional store and update file from a remote server. NFS is developed basically from sharing of file and folder between Linux system.
Okay, what is boot process in Linux?
Boot process after pressing the power button and before starting the operating system, the process is called boot system.
Okay,
Where user can click the power button, CPU will move to the BIOS basic input and output system in ROM. BIOS will be executed post power on self tested. Post completed mean hardware will be work successfully.
okay, okay. What is difference between TCP and UDP protocols?
TCP is slower but more reliable transfer. Port range from 1024 to 4915. File transfer protocol FTTP, web browsing email. UDP is faster but not graduated transfer, live stream online game.
What is pseudo user and what is normal user?
Sudo user means is a super user and normal user is a root user. Super user get privilege, different privilege,
No,
and
no.
normal user get normal privilege.
Sudo and root are both same only.
Okay.
Normal user and prompt user are same. So sudo
Oh,
means it will be in hash symbol after the your username.
yeah.
Prompt or normal user means it will shows
And
dollar
dollar.
symbol.
Okay.
How can you create a username in Linux? Hello?
Yeah.
If you don't know, then you can let me know. I will skip that questions.
Okay.
How can you create a username in Linux?
Mm, skip the question. I don't know the answer.
Okay, we can add users by using the user add command.
Yeah.
Okay, how can we check the date in Linux?
By typing date command cal. By typing date command.
Okay, okay. So I want to see the list of files. How can I check?
ls.
Okay, I want to see only directories. How can I check now?
ls hyphen a.
ls hyphen?
A.
Okay, yeah, that means hidden
That
files.
show
Yeah.
all the hidden files. For
Okay.
directory we have to use ls hyphen ld.
Okay. So I want to display the content of file. So what is the command we can use here?
We have to use cat and the file name to display the content.
Okay. I want to create multiple files at a time. How can we create?
Multiple file we have to use cat greater than and their file names.
No, I want to create multiple files at a same time. And that means I want to give some range.
We have to use touch command for creating empty and multiple files.
Okay. So how can you copy a directory? What is the command to copy directory?
cp-r to copy directory.
Okay. So what is the use of grep command?
For search the content in the file.
Okay. May I know the syntax of grep command?
Syntax grep java contain java html hyphen file.
Okay. What is reverse proxy?
What is reverb?
Proxy.
Proxy is a server that accepts a request from client, forward the request to the another one of many other servers.
Okay, what is proxy?
Proxy that provide gateway between user and the internet.
Okay, what is inode number?
Inode number is a data structure that contain information about files that are created when a file system is created. Each file had in and it identify in number in the file system.
Okay,
When a new file
uh,
is created, in number will assign to that file.
okay. What is the difference between rm command and rmdir?
rm command is used for removing file and directory. rm rmrd command you remove the directory from file system. The directory must be empty before it removed.
Okay, what is the use of locate command?
Using locate command, you can quickly search for location of specific file or a group of file.
Okay, what is the use of find command?
Find command used to search and locate the file and directory based on condition you specify for the file that match the argument.
Okay, what is difference between locate and find commands?
Find command has several option and is very comfortable. There are many ways to reduce the depth and the breadth of the search and make it more efficient. Locate use a previous build database. If database is not updated, then locate command will not show the output to syntax that database. It is must to execute update command.
Okay, what is the use of head command?
Head command is used for print the first line of each file to standard output.
Okay, what is use of tail command?
Tail command is used to print the last line of each file to the standard output.
Okay, what is more command?
More command is used. It is a filter for paging through text one screenful at a time.
Okay, what is less command?
Less is the same as more expect you can scroll back and forward.
Okay, uh, tell about sort command.
It is used to sort the output in a numerical or alphabetical order.
Okay, what is tr command? That means translate. What is the use of that?
Here command used to translate the text from lowercase to uppercase.
Okay, what is use of sed command?
Head command is a stream editor. A stream editor used to perform basic text transformation on an input stream. It can perform lot of function like searching, finding, and replacing insertion or deletion.
Okay, what is difference between hard link and soft link?
Hard link, a symbol link is like a shortcut. One file have multiple shortcut point to it. If we delete the actual file, then no use of symbol link. A node number are different from origin and symbol link. Hard link is the minor copy of original file with different name. One file have many different name. A node number will same for the original hard link.
Okay, what is sticky bit?
Owner root can delete this file.
Okay, how can you check the open ports on Linux server?
Fire command netstate -tullp
Okay, how can you check the disk space?
by firing command df-ah
Okay, how to check IP address?
by firing command if config.
Okay, How to check CPU usage for a process?
By firing PS AUX or grep NGX.
Okay. How can you check the process CPU and memory utilization in Linux?
By using top and stop commands.
Okay. What is difference between host name and IP address?
A host name is your first and the last name, and IP address is your identification number or social number.
Okay. What is DNS and how it's work?
The dominant name system is DNS turn dominant name into IP address which browsers use to load internet pages.
Okay. How can you check the process ID of Java application?
By firing command ps-ef grep java PID.
Okay. How can you kill the application?
By firing command kill -9 PID.